Greetings, friends. Once again, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I have a brief follow-up video for you today. My channel, although it's growing, is still small enough where I can respond to all of my comments, good or bad. The majority of comments are overwhelmingly positive, but sometimes I get one that's not so much. Well, about a year ago or more, I posted a video on using WD-40 to clean the white lettering on your tires. The point I was trying to make, evidently not well enough, is that by spraying WD-40 on the white lettering, the scrubbing you do is minimal. No matter what cleanser you do, you're going to have to do a certain amount of scrubbing, but by using WD-40, the scrubbing is minimal. And for that video, I sprayed WD-40 on the white lettering, and I used a Scotch-Brite pad similar to what you see here. I'll post that video at the end of this one, and as you'll see, the amount of scrubbing I had to do was very minimal, and the white lettering came out beautiful. Matter of fact, this is a tire from the set that I used to clean last year. I still had one hanging around. What happened is I got a comment from one of my viewers. Evidently this gentleman does not have a life, and he accused me of using sandpaper to clean the white lettering, that the WD-40 had very little to do with it. The only reason I got the white lettering clean is because I used sandpaper. Well, as I just showed you, I did not. I used a Scotch-Brite pad. No matter, like I just said, no matter what type of cleanser you use, a certain amount of scrubbing is going to be necessary, and a little bit of an abrasive pad is certainly helpful. Well, this gentleman will not let it drop. He keeps heckling me about this. So I told him that I would do a follow-up video cleaning the white walls or the white lettering with WD-40 using nothing but an ordinary shop towel. So that's what the purpose of this video is today. I'm going to attempt to clean this section right here with nothing but an ordinary shop towel and see how it comes out. Now naturally your results would be better with some kind of abrasive, but the shop towel, let's see what happens here. So I'm going to spray the WD-40. And I'm going to put a little WD-40 on my cloth. And let's do a little scrubbing with just an ordinary shop towel and see what the result is. Like I say, naturally your result would be a little bit better with something like a Scotch-Brite pad, but let's see to what extent an ordinary cloth and the WD-40 works on this. Okay, that should be enough. Now we'll take a dry cloth and wipe it off and see what kind of result we got. Well, it looks pretty damn good, you know. I mean, for just an ordinary cloth and a little bit of WD-40, I think it did a pretty decent job. If I turn the camera a little bit, you can see what it was. So I think that's pretty decent. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do another section using the Scotch-Brite pad. There's a lot less scrubbing involved in using the Scotch-Brite pad. And like I said, you'd have to scrub no matter what you use, but with this WD-40, the scrubbing is at an absolute minimum. There's very little elbow grease I had to put in that at all. Let's wipe it off now with a cloth and see what we get for a result. It's pretty good. Actually, it's almost the same as what I used with a ordinary cloth. You really can't tell much of a difference there. So anyway, my friend who absolutely does not have a life, what do you think of that? So friends, I want to thank you for watching this video. Before I go, I'll post two videos to your left. One will be the video using the WD-40 that I originally posted, and the other will be one I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that, should you wish to subscribe. So, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all again very, very soon.